Good morning, students. Today we are going to start revision of chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. Firstly, we will learn all the main key points of this chapter. The first one is to locate the position of an object or a point. We are given a point and we have to locate its position. Then we need two axes. One is vertical and one is horizontal. The plane where these two axes are located, this plane is known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Okay, and these axes are known as coordinate axes. The point where these two axes intersect each other, this point, this is known as origin. The line which is vertical is y-axis and the line which is horizontal is x-axis. Okay, these two lines divide this plane into four parts and each part is known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now the position of any point, if the point lies on x-axis, the point here lies on x-axis, then its coordinates will be x0, and if the point lies on y-axis, then its coordinates will be 0y. Okay, distance of any point from x-axis, if point is given here, then its distance from x-axis is known as ordinate, and the distance of any point from y-axis is known as abscissa. Okay, and the coordinates of the point xy, suppose x is the distance from x-axis, x is the distance from y-axis and y is the distance from x-axis. This is abscissa, this is ordinate. Then xy is known as coordinates of a point. Okay, these are the coordinates of a point. Now here in first quadrant, x and y both are positive. If a point lies here in first quadrant, then x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Okay, one more point, if you have given x is equal to y, then xy is equal to yx. But if x is not equal to y, then xy will not be equal to yx. Because if x is equal to y, then our point will be like 1 1. So you can write it's xy or yx, both will be same. But if x and y are not equal, then you can't write xy is equal to yx. These are the main points of this chapter, that two axes, one is horizontal, vertical, x-axis, y-axis, and you know on the left side of x-axis we are right side of x-axis we are having positive points, on left side we are having negative points. Upside of x-axis we will take positive numbers and downside we will take negative numbers, and origin is always 0 0. Here at origin both x and y are 0. Now let us take an example. We have given any point A, that is 0 3, B -3 -5, and C we have given -4 and 0. We have to locate these points on the axis. So firstly we take this horizontal line and vertical line. We mark arrows here and here O. We take it as x, x dash, y, y dash, and mark the points 1 2 3 at equal distance. 1 2 3 -1 -2, 0 3, 0 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis, so point will lie here. 0 3, -3 -5, -3 here, -3 -4 -5, so point will lie here. This is -3, -5. In this way we can plot any point on the axis. And you have given, if you have given any point on the axis, then you can find its position by checking its coordinates on the axis. Okay students, so this is your chapter number 3, and questions already I have discussed with you. Still, if you are having any problem, then you can discuss with me in tomorrow's Google class. Thank you students.